Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Audi Sq5. The Audi Sq5 does things you'd never expect from an SUV. This Sq5 has impressive acceleration and comes with a top-notch interior and sporty handling. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.